this is Tammy Tompkins with First Arkansas Bank and Trust Mortgage. I'm here with Donna Dean. Donna is one of our loan officers at our Cabot location, and she has agreed to come and talk to us a little bit to let you know how to get the mortgage loan application process going. So Donna, thank you for taking time out of your busy day, because I know you're packed today, but to come and educate. If I am a borrower coming in and I want to make application to you, what do I need to know? What do I need to be prepared to bring and answer?
You need to be able to provide me with where you've lived and where you've worked for the past 24 months.
Okay.
We need to know about your bank accounts, who you bank with, and your income and who you owe.
Okay.
So we start there. You may want to come in and sit down and talk face to face. We can do it by telephone or online if you want to make application online.
Okay.
We will still need documentation to support what you're telling us.
Okay.
So we ask you to bring as much as possible with you
When we started out.
when you start out.
Okay. What about my credit score? Is that going to play into the process?
Yes, it will. It will depend on which program you're applying for, how much money you're putting down. Sometimes it dictates the rate. So the score is important. We look at scores from 3 different bureaus. We use the middle score in each case and then let you know what it is and what we can do.
Okay. Is that score going to be different than the score I'll pull up on Credit Karma or someplace like that?
Yes, it will. When you're viewing your credit yourself, looking online, you're not affecting your credit score, you're just looking at your score. And that will look different to a lender pulling it or a car dealer pulling it. There's different criteria, so you understand. So it's good for you to look at it and monitor it, but that won't be what you always see when the lender pulls it.
Good to know. Good to know. Okay. Okay, so let's say that I've made application and we're in process. What's the next thing that's going to happen after I get approved? What's the lender going to do? Are they going to start processing my file, start asking me for more information? What am I going to be expected to do?
Well, it depends on what you bring in. The more complete information you bring, the faster the process can go. If you do not bring everything in and you bring one thing at a time, it brings up questions. But if you can come in with your complete tax returns with W-2s and everything supporting your bank statements, your pay stubs, everything that you're asked for initially, the more you can bring, the quicker they can get you a firm answer that is correct.
Okay.
But if you don't have complete information, then the process takes a little longer.
Okay. What is the difference, Donna, in someone being pre-qualified versus pre-approved?
Pre-qualified, you've basically just provided information that's unverified. You've talked to a lender and you've given them information, but there can be mistakes made at that point until verification comes in, documents to support what you've told the lender.
Okay.
So once you get it verified, then they can give you a good answer, and then you should be on your way to looking for a home.
Okay, which is a very, very important step. So we really ultimately want our buyers to be pre-approved, not just pre-qualified.
Exactly.
Okay, good, good. What about the appraisal process? What's expected of the borrower when they come in? We've got them pre-approved, and next they need to order their appraisal. Then what?
Well, we're required to provide documentation, and they would need to sign that documentation, specifically an intent to proceed.
Okay.
Before we're going to move forward with an appraisal, we need to know that they're ready to move forward. Once they sign that, then we can assign that appraiser and he can go do his work.
Okay. Okay. So before we order the appraisal, they're going to know all the costs and the details and everything involved in that loan and sign that intent to proceed before they go any further. Will they be required to pay for that appraisal then, or do they pay that at the end?
Typically, you pay for the appraisal up front.
Okay. Okay.
Because we're paying the appraiser, so we go ahead and get him paid and taken care of. It's nothing extra. That's part of your normal closing cost anyway.
Okay.
So you're just prepaying part of it.
Okay. Okay, so when I come in and sit down and visit with you, if I don't know what loan type I want. What are some basic differences in the different loan types that I may need to know going forward?
Well, that's the job of the loan officer, is to take a full application, get all the information, and then let you know which of the 4 types of product that you might qualify for. And it could be more than one: FHA, VA, conventional, or rural development. But it's going to depend on your credit, where you're buying, your down payment, a lot of different criteria as to which of the programs you might qualify for.
Okay, so there you go. There's the reason to come in and have a one-on-one conversation with a loan officer like Donna, and she will be happy to assist you and help you in any way to figure out what program is the best for your particular needs. So feel free to call either of us any point in time. Call us at the mortgage department. We're always available. Our number's 501-834-4055, and we'll be happy to assist you in any way we possibly can, because we know mortgage. Thank you.